Hey guys, so this is the makeup look that I'm going to be showing you today. If you guys want to see how to get this a very simple look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to be showing you how to use these brushes, dual-ended brushes. But first I'm going to go in with my new Evolution Complete Coverage Foundation. And this is in the shade 104. And I'm just going to take this brush. This is the one that's the foundation shaped brush. And I'm just going to apply my foundation and start blending it out with this side. I did wet the sides with the sponges just to give you guys a head up that they are wet, they aren't dry. And I'm going to go in, apply my foundation, and slightly start blending it out. Then I'm just going to flip it over and blend out the rest of my foundation. And these brushes you can get from AliExpress, I believe is where I got them from. I will have a link down below to pick them up if you are interested. I really like these. They're super easy, super convenient, and when I'm doing looks like this, it's just all about the complexion. So I just really like these dual-ended brush. I was a little bit skeptical because brushes like these, usually the sponges are really hard, but this one was actually not at all. Next, I'm going to go in with my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. This one is in the shade Golden, and I'm just going to use the shade to highlight my face. Also going to go in with my LA Gold Pro Conceal. I believe the shade is in Espresso, just to contour a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with the next brush, which is kind of a pointed tip brush, and I'm going to use that to blend out my contour, and the sponge also to blend it out as well. Again, the sponge is wet. I did spray it with my water bottle so that it was damp. And then for the last brush, I'm going to go in with the one that's kind of angled, and I'm going to use that to blend out my highlight. And then I'm going to flip it and turn to that pointed sponge and blend out my under eye concealer, which this is perfect for getting in that inner corner and just blending it out very seamlessly. And these brushes actually worked really well, guys. Like I was really impressed. Like I was surprised that I didn't really have to use much brushes. I'm just going to take the other side of that same pointed brush just to apply my setting powder. This is the Black Opal Finishing Powder in medium, as usual. And I'm just going to go in and line my eyes. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner. And I'm just going to use that same brush to blend out that powder that I applied. Next, I'm going to go in with this mascara from CoverGirl. It's actually a primer, and then I'm going to go in with their mascara. I believe this is the Amplify mascara. I'm not too sure. I will link everything down in the description box, as I said before, if you guys want to check it out. Next, I'm going to go in with my new Evolution Pressed Powder in 204. And I'm just going to buff that into my skin just for a little bit more coverage and to set my foundation. And this combo together just works so good. I'm telling you, like, my skin was flawless. Next, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Nubian palette. This is like their first palette that didn't have any names for the shades, so yeah, I'm going in with that palette. I'm using the gold from that palette, and I'm also going to use kind of like that brown that's almost my skin tone, and I'm just going to do that as well. Sorry, I have Nia playing in my makeup as I'm filming this. So next, I'm going to go in with one of their blushes. I believe this is Neo. It's in the Saharan 1 palette, Volume 1 blush palette. And then for my lips, I'm going to outline my lips in this shade from ColourPop. It's called Pitch. And then I'm going to go in with this gorgeous red from Juvia's Place. This is called Afrique, I believe. It came out with the Afrique palette, but I love this red. This red is so bomb. It's It's so pretty. Like, I got so many compliments on this lip when I wore it, so I will leave a link down below where you guys can pick this up as well. And some of the people that I know that have coupon codes, I'll leave their coupon codes down below if you want to save some money as well. And then this is where I'm going to go in with the shade that kind of matches my color. Apply that a little bit more to my crease and onto my lid a little bit, just to give my eyes some depth since I'm not really wearing any shadows. And then I'm going to go in with a lighter kind of bone shade in that same palette, and I'm just going to apply that to my brow bone highlight, just to kind of set that concealer that I used to do my brows. And if you guys want to see an updated brow routine, definitely let me know down in the comment section. Lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of the highlight on my nose. I'm using the same palette, one of their highlight shades. I'm going to use it on the bridge of my nose as well. And I'm going to set my face with my Pure Essence mattifying spray. And that is it for the completed look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy. Again, everything that I use will be listed down in the description box. Also, the face brushes that I mentioned, I believe they're by Miss Gorgeous, but I will have a link down below as well so you guys can check them out. They're super inexpensive. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!